Good morning, students. Today I shall teach you the lesson Reach for the Top. That's a very motivational story of the two young ladies of our country that fight for their position in the world and get the first position. So that's why the name of the lesson is the Reach for the Top. The very first story is about Santosh Yadav. She is the mountaineering she is the mountaineer who first fight with the family for her freedom, because being a girl in that village, that was very ridiculous. The situation of the ladies there, as she was the only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice. मीन्स संतोष यादव ने 2 बार माउंट एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई करी थी. Okay, and for that record she was the only woman where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing. मीन्स ऐसे एरिया से थी वो जहाँ पे बेटे का जन्म ब्लेसिंग था, एंड द गर्ल्स birth was not considered as a blessing. Though not considered a curse, means अभिशाप तो नहीं माना जाता था बेटियों को ना, but not welcomed. When her mother was expecting Santosh, then a holy man came to bless her mother, but her grandmother said that to the surprise of the son, that we want a girl child. Nevertheless, he gave the requested blessing. He means the saint. Sadhu ने वो required blessing दे दी, and the particular time the family has a 5 sons and a sister to 5 brothers. Santosh was a sister of 5 brothers. She was born in a small village of Joniawaz of Rewari district in Haryana. Means she born in Haryana district. She was given the name Santosh. At Santosh means the contentment, means जो अंदर से संतोष हो, not having any much distress in the life. लेकिन जो संतोष थी वो अपने नाम के बिल्कुल उल्टी थी, because she was not content with the traditional way of her life. Means at a particular age she have to marry someone. When her father stopped her study and saying to her to get married, she refused because she wanted to study in Delhi. Okay, and she ran away from the house. She threatened her parents that she would never marry if she didn't get a proper education. Means first priority for Santosh to get education at any cost. She left home and enrolled herself in Delhi for study, and her parents refused to uh, give the fund to her study. So for that she said that I will arrange myself. Means उसके parents ने उसको पढ़ाई के लिए पैसे देने से मना कर दिया था. तब संतोष कहती है that I will do a job, part-time job, and then arrange the fund for my education. Okay, so see her determination. Her parents become angry, towards her determination. From her hostel she saw Aravalli Hills. उसके हॉस्टल से अरावली हिल्स दिखाई देती थी. वहां पर उसने कभी कभी विलेजेस को देखती थी. एक बार वो अपने आप चेक करने चली गई, तो वहां उसने किसी को नहीं देखा सिवाय कुछ माउंटेनियर्स के. तो उसने पूछा कि क्या वो उन्हें ज्वाइन कर सकती है. तो उसके बियॉन्ड एक्सपेक्टेशंस उन लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. शी स्टार्टेड माउंटेनियरिंग. ओके. No college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. And I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on the 21st. So I did not go back home. And instead I headed straight for the training. Means उन्होंने mountaineering की training शुरू कर दी. Went off the expedition. And her skills were becoming more and more strong as she was doing the training. She developed a remarkable resistance in cold एंड द एल्टीट्यूड मीन्स ठंडे एटमॉस्फेयर में उनकी बॉडी अच्छे से रेसिस्ट कर पाती थी. Equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. Means उनकी जो ये qualities थी, strong will power होना, physical strength होना, अमेजिंग मेंटल टफनेस होना, मीन्स जो ठान लिया वो करना ही है. ओके, और उसके साथ उनका हार्ड वर्क जिसने उनको 20 ईयर्स ऑफ एज मीन्स 20 साल की उम्र में संतोष यादव ने माउंट एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई कर ली थी. शी बिकेम द यंगेस्ट वुमेन इन द वर्ल्ड टू अचीव द फीट. इसकी क्लाइंबिंग स्किल्स और माउंट उसके सीनियर्स भी उससे बहुत इम्प्रेस्ड थे और वो अपने जूनियर्स के प्रति भी बहुत स्नेह का भाव रखती थी. ड्यूरिंग द 1992 एवरेस्ट मिशन संतोष प्रूव्ड स्पेशल केयर टू ए क्लाइंबर मीन्स जो उनके फेलो क्लाइमेट थे उनको उसने स्पेशल अटेंशन दी क्योंकि वो सफ़र कर रहे थे. अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू सेव हिम. हाउएवर शी मैनेज टू सेव अनदर क्लाइंबर. लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने दूसरे क्लाइंबर को बचा लिया, मोहन सिंह को, जो कि सेम प्रॉब्लम से जूझ रहे थे. अगर संतोष ने अपनी ऑक्सीजन शेयर नहीं करी होती, मीन्स संतोष ने अपनी ऑक्सीजन शेयर करके मोहन सिंह को उस टफ सिचुएशन से बचा लिया था. विद इन 12 months संतोष फाउंड हरसेल्फ अ मेंबर ऑफ एन इंडो नेपालीज वुमेन्स एक्सपीडिशन. 12 मंथ्स के अंदर एक इंडो नेपालीज एक्सपीडिशन के लिए उसका चयन हो गया. तब उसने एवरेस्ट को सेकंड टाइम विन किया और फिर एक रिकॉर्ड सेट किया जिसने कि फर्स्ट वुमेन बनी जिसने माउंट एवरेस्ट को 2 बार स्केल कर लिया था. Describing her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh has said, it took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. Means उसको तो पहले तो कुछ पल लगे ये सोचने में कि उसने ये चीज़ कर ली है. क्या चीज़? कि माउंट एवरेस्ट को सेकंड टाइम उसने स्केल कर लिया है. देन अनफोल्ड द इंडियन ट्राई कलर. उसके बाद इंडियन तिरंगे झंडे को उसने वहाँ पे फहराया और इसकी संसार की छत पर रख के इसको मीन्स that was not a feeling to be described in words according to Santosh. The Indian flag was flying on top of the world. भारत का झंडा संसार की सबसे ऊपर लहरा रहा था. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian. After that, Santosh, what did Santosh had down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. And that was the second part of Reach for the Top, Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova, she was a Russian girl who also wanted to be the reach of the top, and just to, not only to get the fame but also to get the money as well, because for her money is also precious. The rapid ascent in the fiercely competitive world began 9 years before with a level of sacrifice few children should be prepared to endure. मारिया शारापोवा को बहुत छोटी सी उम्र में अपने घर से दूर जाना पड़ा था क्योंकि उनके पेरेंट्स चाहते थे कि वो कुछ बने लाइफ में. मीन्स जब वो 10 साल की भी नहीं थी फिर उन्होंने अपने बैग पैक ऑफ कर लिए थे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के लिए. उनकी ट्रिप टू फ्लोरिडा with her father, Yuri launched her on the path to success and stardom. But it also required a heart-wrenching 2-year separation from her mother. Means जो उनकी जर्नी थी अमेरिका के लिए एक स्टारडम के लिए शुरुआत थी, बट साथ ही साथ उनका 2 साल के लिए अपनी मम्मी से बिल्कुल ही अलग रहने का जो सेपरेशन था वो भी बहुत दिल तोड़ देने वाला था. The latter was compelled to stay back in Siberia because of vice restrictions. The 9-year-old girl had already learned an important life that tennis excellence would only come at a price. इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में मारिया ने सीख लिया था कि टेनिस में अगर कुछ बनना है तो उसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी. Maria was all alone there, okay, and she was young, so she was not ready to bear all the problems that she was facing, but she has to face it. Okay. I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. Means आसपास के लोगों का जितना भी rejection था उसने उनको और determined बनाया. I learned how to take care of myself. I never thought of quitting because I knew what I wanted. Means उन्होंने कभी छोड़ने का नहीं सोचा क्योंकि उन्हें पता था उन्हें क्या चाहिए. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. Means जब हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होता, खोने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं होता, तब ये आपको और determined बना देता है. Or that toughness, even though Maria have in her mind. Okay, 2004 में उन्होंने विंबलडन क्राउन जीत लिया था. और जब उनकी जर्नी साइबेरिया के वुमेन टेनिस में टेनिस फैंस के दिलों को छू गई थी. यंगेस्ट herself there appears to be no room for sentiment. मीन्स सबसे छोटी होने के बावजूद उसके सक्सेस के टाइम पे सेंटिमेंट के लिए कोई जगह नहीं थी. I work hard at what I do, it's my job. That is her mantra for success. Means उनकी लाइफ के सक्सेस का मंत्र सिर्फ इतना ही था, do hard work and hard work. She proud to be a Russia, though she played tennis for America. Okay, like any member of teenage sensation, Maria Sharapova lists fashion, singing, and dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Her fondness for sophisticated evening gowns appears at odds with her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. That was the habits of the Maria Sharapova that she is having. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or characterize her talent, wavering desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. मीन्स जो भी उसने सेक्रीफाइस करे थे वो उन सब से अवेयर थी. Few would grudge her the riches she is now reaping. That's why she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. Of course, money is a motivation. Means कुछ लोग जो उसकी तरक्की से जलते थे तो वो उसे पता था कि of course money is also a point that I am playing. They are paying me because I am at the top, so I should get money for that. Tennis is a business and a sport. Means tennis is doing the two job for her. As well as she is playing for the country, but as well as she is having the money in return of the sport. But the most important thing is to become number one in the world. But as well as whether she was getting the money and the sport, but the most important thing for Sharapova is that she is having the number one position of the world. That's the dream that kept me going. According to Maria, that's the only dream that kept her going and going for the success. Means she is determined to maintain her first position as a tennis player in the world. So these are the story of the two young ladies of their times that reached for the top, and that's what's a record today now, that they are the youngest ones. One is Santosh Yadav and the other is Maria Sharapova.